How does Microsoft Copilot works? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how it actually works. So basically Microsoft has released this new AI called Copilot and it is going to be working with almost all the apps of Microsoft, and as per the recent event of Microsoft, the Copilot is capable of working with other applications as well. So this is going to be a really game changing in the age of ChatGPT, and it will make the life of ChatGPT a little tough. Well, Microsoft is yet to release this for general public and it is available for certain developers but not for everyone. You can get the extension of Microsoft Copilot, but the complete AI of Copilot will be available only after some time when the Microsoft releases the dates. And this Copilot, it can work with Excel, it can work with your business chats, and it can also work with your Word, Outlook and all the other platforms of Microsoft. All you have to do is just give the commands. It will basically increase your productivity and it will adapt to your personality rather than just being rigid as ChatGPT. So it will gather all the data and create a graph which will basically help this AI analyze all your work performance and all the other stuff that you do. And after that, it will help you save a lot of time and you would be able to do more work in less time. And it will also be able to convert your Word files into PowerPoint or your commands, and it will create PowerPoint presentations on your commands just the way that you want, and it will work flawlessly within your current working experience. So they don't want to change your working experience that you are currently experiencing, and they want this AI to integrate in that particular work experience and ground this AI so you are able to utilize it in a more better way without getting uncomfortable with this new addition. So it will be working good, and let's wait for a while before Microsoft releases the dates for the actual AI. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.